Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Soda lime composition. Soda lime calcium hydroxide is equal to 80%, sodium hydroxide is 3%, potassium hydroxide is 2%, and water constitutes 15%. Silica is also added in soda lime to prevent the dust formation. Color indicator. In India, durosol, that is pink. Here in durosol, if durosol is used, durosol is actually pink in color when it is fresh, and this pink color gets converted to white color when it is exhausted. That is when it absorbs more carbon dioxide, then durosol, which is pink in color, gets converted to white color. Ethyl violet. Ethyl violet, when it is fresh, it is colorless. It gets converted to purple color on exhaustion. Baralime. Baralime is less alkaline and less efficient. So baralime is withdrawn because with sevoflurane, baralime produces high temperatures and it is also produces a toxic compound. Characteristics of soda lime. Soda lime has the size of 4 to 8 meshes. Air space in the soda lime is more than 50%, hardness is 75%, and humidity is more than 50%. Soda lime has air space of more than 50%, air space of 50%, hardness of 75%, and even humidity of 50%. So soda lime has air space of 50 more than 50%, humidity of more than 50% of and hardness of 75%.
thank you and thank you for watching.